Welcome! Dr. Pack is in the business of providing high-quality products from concept, design and development to manufacture and supply of advanced drug delivery systems. Dr. Pack is an internationally recognized leader specializing in ophthalmic delivery system, parenteral delivery devices, nasal delivery system, inhalation delivery system, oral delivery system, diabetes delivery devices. As a forward-thinking company, Dr. Pack prides itself on delivering excellence in manufacturing. This is achieved through our state-of-the-art facility equipped with advanced machines such as injection molding, injection blow molding, automated assembly line, and printing machines set in a CGMP-complied, validated clean room. Our development process starts with understanding of your specific requirements. Our dedicated team of product designers and technical experts work on giving you innovative options with scientific approach to the development of your product. This is further facilitated by our micro-molding capabilities for faster sample generation. Our in-house mold-making facility is equipped to work on projects with a high degree of complexity and reducing time to develop and market for our customers. Our commitment to the quality is evident by our accreditations such as ISO 15378, ISO 13485 and ISO 14001. Our labs are well equipped for product and process validation. Our processes are designed for traceability and controls. Dr. Pack products comply with USP, EP, JP and other regulatory standards. At Dr. Pack, we have a good exposure to the preparation and submission of apt documents for CE marking, Type 3 DMFs, 21 CFR and the 510K requirements. Dr. Pack provides IPR protection to each customer. This gives Dr. Pack a competitive edge as a world-class development and supply partner for packaging for ophthalmic, including preservative-free pack, injection vials, implant devices, nasal spray pumps and squeeze pack, child-resistant closure, inhalation devices like DPI and PMDI, anti-stick needle safety system, tablet containers and oral dosing syringe, pen dispensers, insulin pens, lancing devices, and special products. At Dr. Pack, it is about our commitment to patient safety and efficacy. We achieve this by developing quality products with a thorough risk assessment, manufacturing with CGMP compliance, rigorous testing and approval, apt training, prompt customer support. Dr. Pack, your perfect packaging and innovative device partner.